Hello students, today we are going to do question number 3, 4 and 5 of exercise 1.3. For the complete playlist, you can check the description. उसमें मैंने complete playlist of integers का link दिया है. You can click on it and get all the questions of integers. Let's begin with the question number 3. First part, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? So if we are multiplying minus 1 into a, we are going to get minus a. You know the rules of the integers. The rules say that if any one of the integers is negative, then the answer will be negative. But if both the integers are negative or both are positive, then the answer will be positive. So if we take any integer a and multiply it with minus 1, the answer is going to be minus a. Second part, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a part minus 2. हमें एक ऐसा इंटीजर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका प्रोडक्ट यानी मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद माइनस 1 शुड गिव अस माइनस 22. सो समथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड विद माइनस 1 is giving us minus 22. So in multiplication, if one of the integers is negative, then the answer is negative. So that means ये वाला integer positive है. And we know 1 into 22 is 22. So this number will be 22. 22 multiplied by minus 1, 22 ones are 22 and one minus sign because of minus 1. B part, 37. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1, something multiplied with minus 1 is giving 37. Minus 1 is negative and 37 is positive. हमें पता है कि अगर two negative integers को हम multiply करते हैं तो we always get a positive integer. So therefore, and 37 ones are 37. So we will multiply minus 37 with minus 1. And two negative numbers, the product will be positive 37. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 0. So something multiplied with minus 1, if it is giving us 0, definitely that number is 0. Because 0 multiplied by anything gives us 0. Question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So starting from minus 1 into 5, इसकी starting हमें minus 1 into 5 से करनी है and we have to get a pattern to show that minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So minus 1 into 5, we know one positive and negative number, they multiply with a negative sign. So the answer is minus 5. Now I can write minus 1 into 4 and I'll get minus 4. Minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into 0, that is 0. And minus 1 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, two negative numbers. Answer here is 1. So as you can see, यहाँ पे एक pattern form हो रहा है. The first number is minus 1 throughout. उसके बाद the numbers are in decreasing order. minus 1 into 5 से शुरू करके हम minus 1 into minus 1 तक जा रहे हैं. So इस second column में the numbers are decreasing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. And the answer is also showing a pattern. The answer is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. There is one more pattern which we can write here. I can write minus 4 as minus 5 plus 1. यानी इस नंबर में 1 ऐड करने से आई एम गेटिंग minus 4. because one positive and negative number, if they are added, they are always subtracted with the sign of the bigger number. Minus 3 can be written as minus 4 plus 1. Minus 2 can be written as minus 3 plus 1. यानी पिछले नंबर में 1 ऐड करने से अगला नंबर आ रहा है. Minus 1 can be written as minus 2 plus 1. 0 can be written as minus 1 plus 1. And finally 1 can be written as 0 plus 1. So as you can see, there is a pattern which is coming here as asked in the question.